Come back. Come back over Wendy.
Newport traffic, Cirrus 907 Charlie. Stay in the active. Runway 16, back taxiing runway 16, Newport traffic.
Had a big select, guys. We're right behind you.
Newport traffic, 907 Charlie. Is taking the active, run 6, back taxiing 16, Newport traffic.
Yeah, I'm right behind me. Nice. Good.
I like the plane, man. The plane look nice.
Yeah, I know. We just did a high-speed taxi. All is good. We're going to take off right behind you guys after you're gone.
Sounds good.
Newport traffic, helicopter 56, Bravo Echo's lifting on the west ramp. We're going to depart southbound, Newport.
How long did it take you to get used to the taxi now, man, with the plane there?
Something, like one of the way, it has swing to one side, you know? At the breeze, you know?
Oh.
Where you went to behave like that, you put flap 50.
Oh, yeah, okay. Oh, breeze kind of pushing one side.
Post pump. You do a lock, right?
Yeah, man. Check yours. Make sure.
I don't want to lock it.
Oh.
Back here.
Normal take off head, right? Or short field?
Short field.
Short field, okay. So flaps 50. Brakes hold. Power lever forward, mixture set.
Newport traffic, 907 Charlie, departing runway 16, Newport traffic.
Door.
Close it.
Okay.
Newport traffic, Twin Cessna back taxi on runway 1634.
Runway, okay. Time for this one. Was that freeze for me?
Yeah. Oh. Then I'm here. Something.
Newport traffic, Twin Cessna is departing runway 16 to the south.
Oh boy, you set up for your IFR.
JetBlue 1339, Province Below, Province 2, Triple M9 Air, Sheeping Orca.
287.
November 8, Lima Bravo, contact New York 124.07.
There's 319, take a Mike Providence approach altimeter 2999, and let me know when you have the weather information at the Newport Airport and the type approach requested. Tango Mike, Roger, on request.
Providence approach, 907 Charlie. There's that airplane comes.
Tell me about that?
Yeah. Providence approach, November 907 Charlie.
Clear frequency, right?
Come on. 112.
Number 319 Tango Mike, descend and maintain 5,000.
Providence approach, November 907 Charlie.
November 907 Charlie, Providence, a position and request.
907 Charlie is 9 miles from State Airport. We'd like to pick up IFR to Nantucket Airport, 907 Charlie.
907 Charlie, Roger, standby.
Yo, but we're not at Nantucket Island right now. Nantucket Harbor. Nantucket Harbor.
907 Charlie, Roger, and squawk 5337, maintain VFR.
5337 and maintaining VFR, 907 Charlie.
The Nashua about island of come off on your right there.
They got no man.
Yeah.
Calling Providence, approach, standby. November 907 Charlie, your radar contact 11 miles southwest of the New Bedford Airport, altimeter 3011. You're cleared to the Nantucket Airport via present position direct, maintain 3,000.
Clear to the Nantucket Airport direct, maintain 3000, 3011, altimeter 907 Charlie.
46631, altitude, your discretion. 319 Tango, my contact approach 127.9er, have a good day.
Hold for the island out there, man.
Calling approach again. Four 46631, altitude is your discretion, sir.
Yes or no, Val?
No, I hold for the island out there.
Oh yeah.
You can't really get to over here, so you don't really can't come over here, so if you don't really like have your plane or make up your mind to go up on a barge or something. There's no connect. There's no connection.
November 907 Charlie, descend and maintain 3,000, please.
Descend and maintain 3000, 907 Charlie.
I'm not planning to ask you about 2, before, because it was almost 5 and she said maintain 3,000 when she called you.
You know what, I don't want to go down to 3000.
Over what time?
907 Charlie, you can contact Cape Approach on 133.75. Have a good day.
133.75, good day, thank you, 907 Charlie.
November 222 November Delta Providence approach ident. Order 222 November.
Turn 858 Whiskey, Boston approach, the range is cold today.
Cape approach,
908 Whiskey, thanks, advise information, India. King Air 2 Romeo Golf, contact approach 120.6. 22.
Cape approach, 907 Charlie, checking in at 4,500, descending to 3,000.
Cirrus 907 Charlie, Boston approach, expect the visual approach runway 6, verify you have information, Victor.
Visual approach, runway 6, and we're going to get Victor, 907 Charlie. One, two.
Twice Martha's.
We have a Martha's Vineyard now.
Yeah. Almost there, yeah. Bama
2.14, altimeter 3001. Is approach, runway 6 and east, landing and departing runway 6. Advise your contact, you have Victor. Nantucket Tower information, Victor, 1852 Zulu, wind 100 at 9, visibility 10, view cloud 7,500, temperature 20, 2.14, altimeter 3001. Is approach, runway 6 and east, landing and departing runway 6. Advise your contact, you have Victor. Nantucket Tower information, Victor, 1852 Zulu, wind 100 at 9, visibility 10, view cloud 7,000.
Baron 58 Whiskey, clears to the Coast Guard Delta.
Marcus Vineyard. What's the server Bama place here now?
Zero 07 Charlie, I have information, Whiskey.
007 Charlie, I'm showing Victor current. Are they broadcasting Whiskey?
07 Charlie, I have information, Victor. Sorry, not 07 Charlie.
Better? King Air 07 Foxtrot, cleared visual approach runway 6, contact Nantucket Tower, 118.3.
So we're going to put you in.
Yeah.
Oh, they look good still now. We're not like we need. We're not like we need for
Can't be really learning so on. I mean, well, more to go, but I mean, where they might be flying the next island over there.
So, oh, means a man flying now. Even though I look out there nice, you know, I always put in.
Yeah, set in, just in case. Makes sense. That's over the airport. Just here. Okay, I'm playing below you there, look a while.
Yeah,
yeah, the right winger.
Martha's Vineyard airport is where I fly over now.
Yeah.
Alright, so we'll go.
Playing on the right winger. Sit down. Set base.
We start get rain, so.
Okay. Yeah.
LPV.
Current approach to the request was at carrier trainer to 388.
2,300.
Carrier trainer 388, roger, fly heading 350, vectors to the ILS approach at Brownstown, maintain VFR. Zero 693 Tango Foxtrot, Boston departure, ident.
Come on, 2-1 Bravo 2.
03 Tango Foxtrot, radar contact 2 miles north of Nantucket Airport, change to my frequency 118.2. Air trainer 388, how will this approach terminate?
The airport out there, sir.
Air trainer 388, roger.
118.3.
Cardinal 34616, Boston departure, ident. Zero 03 Tango Foxtrot, thanks to Falmouth altimeter 3002.
Right, side 2.
Cardinal 616, radar contact 2 miles north of Hyannis Airport, the Falmouth altimeter 3001.
One more airport 2.
Kronos 104, traffic 12 o'clock, 4 miles, maneuvering over Plymouth Harbor, altitude indicates 5,600, contact approach 120.6.
But the plane run nice, you know?
Yeah, man.
I've had like 210 in a year. At the 401 there.
Yeah, man.
Real man. So there's an airport over here, which is
1 Bravo 2. Peter?
yeah.
One Fusilier tail right now, no? Just a fly over one. You don't know if I attack?
Yes, the one I fly over right now, man.
One Bravo 2, yeah, man.
On your side. No, on my side.
Yeah. And under we right now.
That airport is a grass runway now, but you have a good restaurant over here.
Oh, okay.
Me and my wife and kids they come over here on beach.
Eh?
But we never land at the airport because it's a grass runway.
Grass runway,
But I always want to come back over here and
okay. It out.
as soon as they start, it'll be a good
One Bravo 2. Sit there. Yeah. Okay, look, lift here already, you know.
It is.
Alright, so we have another checkpoint. Must get.
Air Trainer 388, 5 miles from Phony, turn right heading 040. Practice approach approved, maintain VFR, no separation services provided.
Then over Nantucket.
Baron 58 Whiskey, contact Highness Tower 2.
Guadalupe Island.
Aero 22 Hotel Alpha, Boston departure, radar contact, climb and maintain 6,000. Say again, altitude leaving. Aero 2 Hotel Alpha, turn left direct Fredo. 007 Charlie, descend at pilot's discretion, maintain 2,000.
Descend and maintain 2,000 at pilot's discretion, 907 Charlie.
Okay, down lower. Okay, well, but still we are going about almost 15 miles to go. About 7.
Air Trainer 388, radar service terminated, keep the code, change to advisory frequency approach.
Can go down for 2.
Aero 2 Hotel Alpha, traffic 1 o'clock 4 miles southwestbound at Twin Otter, 1,600. NOAA 48, traffic 12 o'clock 3 miles northbound at Aero, 1,700 climbing.
How can I not want to do this thing, man?
Yeah?
How can I not want to do this thing?
Oh
man?
yeah, peace.
Yeah. How can I not want to do this thing, you know?
Yeah, man.
007 Charlie, airport 12 o'clock, 2 miles.
We have airport inside, we can cancel the airport this time.
007 Charlie, understand you'd like to cancel IFR?
Yeah, we'd like to cancel IFR this time, 907 Charlie.
07 Charlie, IFR cancellation received, keep the code, contact Nantucket Tower, 118.3.
We keep the code and we're going to tower, 907 Charlie, have a good day.
2.
Nantucket Tower, Cirrus 907 Charlie is 12 miles from the northwest, inbound for London, full stop, information, Victor.
Kinger 07 Foxtrot, turn left on Bravo, contact ground.
Left on Bravo to ground, 07 Foxtrot.
Here's 907 Charlie, Nantucket Tower, enter left base, runway 6. Verify information, Victor.
Left base, runway 6, and we have information, Victor, 907 Charlie. So we're not going to stop at 2,000, I'll go all the way down to 1,000 foot. Left base, so runway 6. Playing a run, I'm playing a chopper 170.
Yeah, man.
So to reach over here?
Yeah.
Say again?
Alright, we can disconnect autopilot.
somewhere over so.
I have a feeling sight, man.
Okay. Saying are you 06?
6, yeah.
Okay. I'm going. Okay. Go. Okay, you put inside there. So 6 are from this, alright? From the sea there. Yeah, 06. Yeah. Coming in from there.
And Nantucket Tower 06 is clear the airspace. Should we go to approach?
Roger, see you.
I'll see you so long.
Cirrus 07 Charlie, runway 6, clear to land.
Clear to land, runway 6, 907 Charlie. We got tower in sight.
Yeah.
That was 1,000 feet.
1,000 feet. Right, that runs, alright?
Yes, sir.
Almost coming from the base leg down on it. There's the tower. There's the tower. Literally island over here.
Cirrus 07 Charlie, use caution for bird activity in the vicinity of the approach end of runway 6.
I'm looking for birds, 907 Charlie, thank you.
And so it's over here though. Yeah, miss one pass to quiet, you know. A bird just passing their wing here.
Val, where we are go? Pull up FBO and see what.
Oh.
Pull up and see if FBO available.
Oh shucks.
Click on the airport and
Yeah.
up on FBO and see.
Information. Earth, see something horrible, sir. I don't see that. In Nantucket, in, I didn't know.
Traffic not available.
Cirrus 07 Charlie, turn left at taxiway Charlie, contact ground 132.5.
Turn left at Charlie and go into ground, 907 Charlie.
Charlie, we don't know. 6. 6, okay. We got Charlie. We can go FBO ramp to your left there. Charlie Echo. FBO ramp. General, you want to go general aviation?
Watch out.
Oh, snap blow, yeah, okay, good. I'm sorry, trash.
Departing runway 6. Roger, contact.
Sway there.
King Air 6207 Foxtrot, Nantucket, clearance delivery, current center request. Cirrus 907 Charlie, Nantucket, ground taxi straight in.
Nantucket Tower.
Taxi straight in, 907 Charlie.
King Air 07 Foxtrot, cleared to the Papa Sierra Mike Airport, via radar vectors and filed. Maintain 2000, expect 4000, 10 minutes after departure. Departure frequency 126.1, squawk 5321.
Charlie, go there a little bit here.
Also come leave it there.
Right after you go over there.
King Air 07 Foxtrot, read backcraft. Affirmative.
Frontier.
Negative, it's Echo Mike, she's a new trainee.
Don't go over so.
Roger.
Charlie. On Fox Trip, you know.
Check out the skill them and now put it on the dot, no?
Yeah. Take your back up your trailer, you know. Reverse you can't find.
Reverse just.
It's up there. Trade wind. Nice plane.
Yeah man, trading operate over here now.
Oh, okay. Yeah, bossy. Well.